As a world leader in ammunition for portable weapons and one of the primary suppliers to NATO, CBC is the premier defense brand in the small caliber segment. CBC products are utilized globally, playing a critical role in ensuring the protection and security of millions of individuals. With operations in Brazil, USA, Germany, Belgium, and Czech Republic, in addition to distribution centers for the markets in Brazil, United States, and Europe, CBC is present in over 130 countries across 5 continents. CBC was founded in 1926 by 2 Italian immigrants with a vision to produce hunting ammunition in a small shed in Sao Paulo. The manufacturing grew rapidly, and soon CBC started producing military ammunition on a large scale during the Civil War period in Brazil. In 1942, the same year that Brazil declared war on the Axis powers, CBC acquired a vast area of 1.8 million square meters, which would later become the company's headquarters. With decades of experience in ammunition production, CBC expanded its operations in the 1960s to include firearms manufacturing. As the company's expertise grew, so did its reach, with CBC exporting up to 1.5 million units to the United States. During the 1990s, CBC's global presence grew stronger with the establishment of a distribution company in the United States. It was during this time that the brand Magtech was also created, to cater to the international market for ammunition intended for civilian and police use. In 1998, CBC expanded its manufacturing capabilities by inaugurating a new unit in the southern region of Brazil dedicated to the production of long guns and shot shells. In 2004, CBC opened a new distribution center in Hamburg, Germany, expanding the participation of the Magtech brand in the European Union. As the starting point of a new expansion phase, CBC makes a series of strategic acquisitions and starts to incorporate renowned companies in the production of ammunition, weapons, and machinery. In 2007, it acquires the German manufacturer MEN, one of the main suppliers of ammunition for the German military and police forces, and with a strong presence on the European continent. 2 years later, the company completed the acquisition of the traditional Czech company Cellier et Belot, founded in 1825 and a world reference in the ammunition industry. In 2015, CBC takes control of the Brazilian company Taurus, one of the world's largest manufacturers of firearms. The next step in CBC's worldwide expansion is the incorporation of the renowned German and Belgian companies Fritz Werner and New La Chaussee, 2 of the leading manufacturers of machines for ammunition production. Through a strategic partnership to manufacture ammunition in India, CBC entered into a joint venture with the company SSS Springs, the largest Indian producer of springs. Today, CBC stands at the forefront of its segment, with the largest integrated manufacturing complex for ammunition making in the world. With the establishment of new factories and the expansion of its production lines, CBC continues to solidify its position as the world leader in ammunition. With heavy investments in expansion and modernization of its production facilities in the south of Brazil, CBC consolidates its position as one of the largest long gun manufacturers in the world. This investment enabled CBC to increase its portfolio and further establish its position as a leading supplier in the shooting industry. With a complete portfolio of products, including several innovations developed with its own technologies, CBC became one of the largest suppliers of ammunition to NATO countries. On the 5 continents, there is someone using a CBC product right now for sport, self-defense, recreation, or lifestyle. For nearly a century, CBC has been working almost silently through the clarity of purpose and engagement of its people, seeking to become a global reference in ammunition and firearms making. For nearly a century, CBC is developing quality controls and production systems based on continuous improvements. As a result, CBC has become a world leader in ammunition for portable weapons with some of the most recognized brands in the industry. And we're just getting started. Thank you for being a part of our history. Welcome aboard to a great future with us. CBC, world leader in ammunition.